7.
So second grade.
Right.
What are some of the field trips you've been on?
Oh, we've been to Ann Arbor at the museum, and we went down to see where the nuns make the host for First Holy Communion.
Okay, the host, the little wafers that
Right.
make your communion.
Right.
And that was pretty interesting, you're telling me.
Yes, it was. Very.
That's good. It makes you learn a lot of things as far as well as the children.
Right.
As far as it sounds like it's nice.
It is.
What do you have with you today?
I have 2 friends of mine, Helen and Sandy.
All right, let's find out who your pen pal is. Got a big jackpot up there. Get a couple of strikes, you can split with your pen pal. Good luck to you, Madeline. We have Alan, Mary, and Hitler from Bluefield Hills. We have Madeline Tremblay from St. Clair Shore. She's married with 1 child. Going for this big jackpot, $1,260. Keep it right there. Looks pretty good. Just fade it away from that pocket. Hit the head pin lightly and hit the, leaves the 2, 4, 5. Well, the ball looked like it was going to go.
Madeline, take it off, take it off.
Just backed away from a little bit. Oh, we're all being serenaded today
What's
by
the date today?
a lovely little girl in the audience.
May 11th.
Fortunately, it isn't.
May 11th, Mother's Day.
Right now, Madeline wants to pick up this spare. Hey, that ball back up again, Madeline. Nice shot. All right. Well, Madeline, that's $10 plus in for 2 for you and your pen pal. Now you have a chance with 1 strike here to come up to the bonus sport. We have some beautiful prizes from Shipper and Wills. And your pen pals, Ann and Mary Ann Hitler from Bluefield Hills, would love to share in something new with you, too. That's it. Bring it in there. Oh, and she just doesn't get it. Well, Madeline, that's $10 plus in for 2 junior pen pal. We'll be back with our first half hour finalists right after these words.
Hey, Madeline. All right.
Momo. I should go watch it.